acrylic, fabrication, and gluing department. We work for some of the finest museums and institutions all over the nation, making acrylic vitrines, acrylic decor, and anything acrylic that may showcase your products better than they would be on their own. We're very fortunate to have a number of very proprietary gluing mechanisms to work in things that are solvent glued or PS30, seamless and bubbleless. And those would only show up in the finest museums around the country. We work for all kind of high-end designers who may produce tabletops, coasters, acrylic decor, things that they would use in their most high-end homes, and we custom do them to their specifications uniquely here in this room. Very proud of what we do at Showcase Acrylics, and we hope that some of this video will expose you to the breadth of what we can produce for you.